headrest and adjust the height of the headrest to your preferred level. The height can be adjusted by around 8 to 21 centimetres from the top of the backrest. To adjust the line of sight, simply tilt the frame of the headrest. The maximum adjustable angle is 68 degrees. Reclining backrest. The backrest is vertical when unlocked. Whilst in this status, you can slightly recline on the backrest to achieve full movement. The sliding mechanism ensures the back and lumbar are fully supported. Lock feature of backrest. Whilst in the vertical position, press the left-hand button under the seat to lock the backrest. Here, we are 109 degrees from the level. To unlock the backrest, simply press this button again. To lock the backrest in the reclined position, simply lean into the backrest to reach the lowest point and press the left-hand button under the seat to lock in place. Here, we are 133 degrees from the level. To unlock, press the button and slightly recline against the backrest to release and return to the vertical position. Tension of backrest. Depending on the weight of the user, the tension of the backrest can be increased or released by turning the control under the right-hand side of the seat. Turning the control to the right increases the resistance, and turning to the left decreases the resistance. Armrest adjustment. To adjust the armrest, press and hold the button underneath the arm pad and move up or down. When preferred position is reached, release the button to lock. The armrest can be adjusted by up to 10 centimetres. Sliding seat and tension of seat. When sitting, the seat can be moved forwards and backwards with a slight tilt in either direction. Depending on the weight of the user, the tension of the seat can be increased or released by turning the control under the front edge of the seat to suit heavy, medium and light-weighted users. Turn right to increase tension and left to release tension. Seat height adjustment. The seat height adjustment button is located under the right-hand side of the seat. Lift your body off the chair and press the button to raise seat higher and sit to lower. The seat height can be adjusted from 46 to 57 centimetres from the floor. Seating experience. Symbian ensures every user's requirements are met. While sitting on the seat, reclining on the backrest or moving the seat backward and downward, the ergonomic features, durability and tension of mesh in TPEE material not only enhances the sense of comfort, but provides full support to the neck, shoulder and back of the user, without unnecessary lumbar support designs. The dual-core mechanism of the backrest and seat simultaneously provides continuous support to the back and lumbar, even when reclining. When there is no need for backrest support and the user is sitting on the edge of the seat, the sliding function of Symbian allows users to sit forward so the knees are relaxed. This ergonomic function promotes the health of the user's cervical vertebrae, spine and lumbar by allowing the correct vertical seating position and creates a happier seating experience.